So hello all the star technophiles, this is Ojasvi Jain, and in this video I'm going to discuss about the one of the important topic in the JavaScript, that is nothing but a mutability and the immutability. So in this video I'm going to discuss about how exactly the immutable and mutable function is, and I'm going to give you the glimpse about it and the difference between them, how it is work in a primitive data type and what is the difference in a non-primitive data type one. So let's see the things one by one. I really want to first declare one string that is nothing but one string. This is a simple string that I have declared in a literal way. Okay, so let's take this as a let. Nothing major changes you will going to see in between them. And now I really want to do I really want to convert this text string it into the uppercase. Now what's my requirement is? My requirement is to convert the hello world, this part, it into the uppercase one. So there is one function that I can use it, and this is looks like that. If I really want to convert it into the uppercase, so what I have to do, I have to put like text string dot to uppercase, and this function will make this string into the uppercase one. What I will going to do, I will going to declare one variable and just going to store this value, so that once I console it, you will going to see the difference between the text string and the another text. Okay, this will makes you more sense. And this is a text string. C means copy, so text string copy. Now what I will going to do, I will going to console it, so that will give you a more clarity that what is the value of the text string and what is the value of text string C. Now you can clearly see that on a console, the text string value is hello world. This is a simple whatever I have written, that hello world, in that format you will going to see on a console. Now the text string C is in the capital form. That's what I want. That's what I have applied to uppercase. Now the thing I really want to highlight there is that our original data is nothing but a text string that is not modified by a to uppercase, and this is the concept of a immutability. Means I am not like disturbing my original data, I'm not modifying my original data, rather than I'm creating one another string and just assign to the another variable that is nothing but a text string C. This concept is called as a immutability in a JavaScript. Now what exactly going on for the non-primitive data type one? Because in a non-primitive data type, some of the function have a behavior of a mutability. So let's see the things one by one, and this will give you a more clarity. For that purpose, I really want to take one variable of the array type, that is nothing but a non-primitive data type. See, this is a food array with a non-primitive data type value that is called as a array type. Now, what I am going to do, I am going to do in the same way only. Let's see the things one by one. What I am going to do, I am taking a food array and I am going to apply a reverse function into that, just like that. What I have done for the string type. Okay, in a string, just I convert it into the to upper. So what I have to do, test string dot operator, and then I am applying the to upper function. To upper case function. In the similar way, if I want to reverse the array, what I have to do, I have to put a dot operator and just use the reverse function. So for the clarity purpose, what I want to do that, let me first console this array. That will give you a more clarity. First, let me first console this food array, and this food array will going to looks like that. Before doing this operation, this will going to look like that: pizza, sandwich, and drink. Yes, it is perfectly we are getting what we have declared, right? Now I'm going to do in the 17th line or a 16th line is that I'm applying the reverse function, and what I'm going to do now, I'm going to console both of the array one by one. All right, I'm going to console the first and the second one. So when you will going to see the first array, that is my original data set, that is nothing but a food array, you will going to find a different value as the previous one. So let's see the things one by one, and I'm saving it, and you will going to see that my original data set, that is nothing but a food array, and my next array set, that is nothing but a food array C, both are modified, right? Both are modified means my original data is modified whenever I am applying an operation into that, that is a reverse operation. So in this case, this reverse operation is considered as a mutable operation. It means it is mutating my original data set. This is very important you to understand that, because some of the function is modified our original data, and in most of the time, in 80 to 90% of the time, our intention is not to modify our original data, rather than just creating one logic on the temporary data set and do the operation on that, rather than modifying our original data. So we have to take care about that, which function is a mutable one and which is a immutable one. So I again want to highlight that in a primitive data type case, it means the string case, all the functions are immutable in nature, and in the array some of the function are mutable in nature. Mutable means whenever we apply that operation, this will modify our original data set as well. That's the meaning of a mutability. And if we are not modifying our original data set, that's a immutability. That's the immutable functions. So hope you got an idea about it. Just play with it and like feel that concept, because this is very important you to understand. Hope you got it, and see you in the next video for more concepts.